What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Patio Daddy-O here, and yup, you guessed it, we're doing a patio, baby. We got a really sweet pattern going on here. We're doing some blue 60. It's gonna transition into some blue 60 6x13s. We got a bench seat going on. We're throwing down deck boards. This whole backyard is coming together, so make sure you hit subscribe. Stay tuned. You can see that the patio is really the centerpiece of this design. It's connecting the back landing down to the covered dining area. So we want to make this as functional as possible. We're building some benches off of our fence that we put in, and you can see a really cool detail on how the pavers transition from a 3-piece to a running bond. All right, so we're getting our field pavers down. This is the blue 60 in the Shale gray. And we set up our string lines. That's our reference line. We have it square coming off of here, and we just make sure that wherever our pavers line up with this seam, that we're going off of that string line. You want to start square, end square, baby. That's how you do it.
What's up, bud?
What we got going on here?
I'm gonna slap some Deckorators deck boards down, baby. So what we have here is a landing, but I wouldn't really call this a landing. This is, I would say this is a mini deck. It's gonna be a great entrance from the back door to this beautiful patio we got going down. We're gonna have an area for a grill. It's a little windy today, so it's gonna be hard to do this. But yeah, I'm just running this by myself. Very easy system. Set it and forget it, baby, that's it. I'm still here. The transition is still here.
String line's your best friend, but also lava. We're transitioning from a staggered random pattern to a brick pattern, or running bond, whatever you call it. I would say brick pattern. Some people say running bond.
I say running bond.
Anthony?
It's brick pattern.
Running bonds in thirds.
My opinion, running bond is
Running brown, what?
running bond.
Whoa.
Running bond is broken into thirds.
I say I don't care. I just say whatever. Cause I'm a patio daddy-o.
You are, and I'm just an employee.
So you can see, because this is still the blue 60 family, they're just all 6x13s. They're gonna line up with our staggered pattern here. You can see we just did it randomly. We've got it kind of segmenting off there where it breaks off into the 6x13s. I think it's gonna look really sweet. And again, super easy thing to do. Doesn't take a lot of time, doesn't take a lot of effort, but it's gonna give it a little pop. Scoot, what do you got for us? What do you mean?
Like what
Words
would
of
I,
wisdom?
what would
I don't know.
have? Like anything?
What do you got for us? Surprise us.
Got nothing.
Can you do the worm?
No.
You look like the type that would be able to do the worm.
Shut up.
Okay. So, we're laying these pavers. We're trying to blast this out by the end of the day, just get most of these. See the look I just got from Ant. Like, what? We got like freaking 20 more square feet. We don't have to do all that.
We're gonna shoot videos.
Yeah, damn right we are. We're gonna lay out the rest of this real quick, just blast it right out, be done in no time. And you know what? Here's what it is. Patio Daddy-O said so. We've got a couple more to finish out over here, but end of the day, not too bad for basically a half day of laying pavers. We knocked it out. What do you guys think?
Woo! All because we had Concrete Kathy here. Concrete Kathy whipped us all into shape.
Where'd she go?
I don't know, she's gone.
She disappeared.
Gone.
Whoa. All right. Tomorrow.
Josh,
Yes.
what you doing?
Installing some concrete edge restraint on our patio. It's one of the final steps. We do it before poly sand. That's frozen. Yeah, so we just kind of do like a nice thing here, and then I don't have my trowel with me. It's over here. And we just smooth it out. You leave a decent, you leave like an inch or so to the top of your paver to allow soil to get in there so grass can grow up to it. And this will just hold everything together and keep our base from running out.
Nice.
Ooh. This is nice. So what we did was just build this bench seat. Saw Ant doing some of that. And then we decided to do these nice little armrests. So we've got the Khaya board just folding right down the front. So not only gives us this nice armrest, which is definitely locked in for justice, it gives us this nice look of it water falling down and having this contrasting color board, which I really, really enjoy. Right here, what do we have here?
We have a planter box? What would you call this?
I would say this is this right here is like the table where you can, nice little end table.
Here?
Right, like in this area.
There?
It's like a nice table.
Right here.
I like this. Very nice. So you got a little bit of extra space when you're sitting here, you know, armrest, plus, yeah, put a drink there. I can't believe this is the same backyard.
No, right? Totally different backyard.
It's amazing. What's up, Catherine?
Oh, nothing.
Little rock climbing wall. Found a rock climbing wall over here. We have these little hand grippers. I've got some little lag screws. We're gonna put it in here, and we've got about 40 or 50 of them that are gonna go all over this wall, different colors. It's gonna be really sweet. It's gonna, you know, really set this place apart, give it a unique little feature that, you know, you might not be used to. Got all of our little rock climbing grips up. Nice little colorful accent here, and it's gonna be fun. They have like maybe a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old, I'd say, somewhere around there. They're gonna have fun on this thing. I think they're gonna love it. We're also gonna have the kids swings here. Over here, we've got the egg swings for the adults. It's all coming together, and I guess we build rock climbing walls now. What do we got going on here?
Marking out for our riser lights.
Riser lights going in, and we got a bunch of them going in here, don't we?
A lot.
And what do we like to do when we have these wraparound steps?
Stagger them.
We like to stagger them, exactly. So they're not just in one straight line, so that they can kind of go with the cascading effect of the deck. I guess maybe it's time. I guess it's time to let the people know Scooter's no longer going to be with us. After how long? Another week or so? Yep. I'm terribly sad about it. Tell everybody what you're going to be doing.
I am going to work for a construction company.
That's what we do.
Yeah, we do similar things. But it's more building oriented, remodeling, kitchens, bathrooms, additions, building new houses. I'm going to learn all the facets of carpentry and the construction industry.
I'm really excited about it.
Scooter's a very young guy with a lot of skills that he picked up here, but he's got more to learn that I can't teach him, unfortunately. So the young pup's got to flee the kennel.
Yep. Yep.
And I'm going to miss him dearly.
Yeah.
Scooter's like, he's like my little brother almost, and Scooter, we're going to miss you a lot around here.
Yeah, I'm going to miss you too. It's been a good run.
It has been a good run. It's been
a great run.
Great 4 years.
Almost 5.
Almost 5?
Yeah. I'm turning 24 in like a month.
And how old were you?
19.
May you fly on the wings of angels.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. I'm gonna miss you a lot. I really am. Well, that's it for this vlog. Unfortunately, we got some unexpected snow, so we're gonna have to wait a couple days until all of this melts. Then we can go back and get this thing all finished up. In the comments, leave your final farewell for Scooter. We're gonna miss him a lot. Maybe he'll be back to us one day, but make sure you hit subscribe. And until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.